Alrighty, I see that you have clicked this to find hope of how to draw a tuxedo. First of all, you would like to start with a base or just your character. Doesn't matter. This is how tuxedo. The tuxedo. This is a point. Okay. First, you would like to go of this area right here. You're going to need to go you're going to need to go a little bit right here. You see, and there. So this, or I'm making it similar. Alright, so this, you can see that it is making it look like a more layered outfit, and that is what a tuxedo is. Alright, so now you would go make a kind of a like V-neck, like how you would with like a V t-shirt. And now you have to do this little part, and yeah, you almost finished. And then, alright, I need to make this a little more smooth there. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to, this little part is your opinion, but I always like to put a little bow tie, but you can make a actual like necktie. I don't know how to draw those really, so alright, now you got yourself a bow tie. Well, now this part is a different kind of part. You could do either one, but so I'm gonna show you how to do both of them. First of all, this is a normal common tuxedo. You know, that looks like one of the, has these little these wrist cuff things. And if you want for decoration, you can put a little like button here or a little symbol. There we go. Isn't that cute? Alright. Now, for the other one, you can, this is how you do rolled up sleeves. You put this, and it's supposed to be like rolled up sleeves from here and then again, so twice roll that. It's best to start from somewhere close to the elbow, so it's easier to keep track for if you ever want to draw the character again. Alright. And there you go. You have drawn a tuxedo. Gotta add some little shoes. You don't have to make the shoes like this. I'm just doing this for my own delight. at it. But you can do the shoes like this if you also want to. It's nice shoes. It's very pretty. And there we go. We have drawn two kinds of tuxedos. One with rolled up sleeves and one with rolled down. I hope you have a great day and you now know how to draw a tuxedo.